So solve this question, guys. Solve this question. After 8 months, A increased his investment by 50%. So we know the ratio of their investments, right? We have to find out the profit share now. Profit share will be A is to B is to C. So we know A is investing in the ratio 2 parts, right? If he is investing in the 2 parts for 8 months, it will be 2. Just imagine it is 2 rupees. Okay, so it will be the part of the ratio. It will be 2 rupees. So he invests 2 rupees for the first 8 months. Why? Because after 8 months, he increases his investment by 50%. So increasing and withdrawal, you know, every year the investment will be same here in partnership concept. I've told that. So here for the next 4 months, because here the profit earned is annual. The profit earned is annual. So he invests 2 rupees for 8 months and he increases by 50%. So what is 50%? It is 1 rupee. So he increases his investment by 1 rupee. So it is 3 rupees for the next 4 months. Since I've taken in months, I'll take B as well because they have just told value of B itself. So that is value of A itself. So B will be 3 into 12 and C will be 5 into 12. So what will be the final ratio? This is the profit share. Okay, profit share. So 2 8s are 16 plus 3 4s are 12. 16 plus 12 is 28 is to 3 into 12 is 36 is to 60. So this has a common value 4. 4 7s are 4 into 9 times and 4 into 15 times. All right. Now what are they asking? Share of B. Share of B is in 9 parts. So it will become 9 over 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 15 is 31. 31. So the total profit is 62,000. So just keep it 62. 31 into 1 time, 32 into 2 times. So 9 into 2 is 18 with 3 zeros, which is 18,000. Share profit of B is 18,000 and C will be 30,000 and A will be 7 part, right? So 7 2s are 14. It is 14,000. If you remember this investment and withdrawal part, it will be very easy to solve this. Yeah, it's raining here. It's raining here now. All right. So the answer will be 18, 14, and 30,000. Clear? Hope others also understood this point. Answer is 18,000. I'm just getting Vivek, Kavya, and Pooja. What about Hemant, Nitish? They're not responding here. Right, we'll go to the next question. Yeah, solve this question now. A, B, and C started a business with capitals of rupees 8,000, 10,000, and 12,000 respectively. At the end of the year, the profit share of B is rupees 3,000. The difference between the profit shares of A and C is what? Now they've added the difference between the shares now. Difference between shares concept. Others, please keep up. Keep up with the speed. So A, B, and C started a business with capital of rupees 8,000, 10,000, and 12,000 respectively. At the end of the year, the profit share of B is rupees 3,000. The difference between the profit shares of A and C is. So this is a simple example of simple partnership, right? Why? Because the time is for both of them. Means that the time given for all the three is same because at the end of the year. All right. So by this you can find out the total profit and then find out the differences or you can find out the individual profit shares and then find out the differences. Whichever you want, you can go ahead, or simple method, find out the ratios, the difference between the ratios, and apply the method. Shrisha says it is 12,000, sorry, 1200. Shrisha, it is 1200 man, not 12,000. Okay. Faraz, Aryan, okay, now you guys are coming up. So answer is 1200, we'll see. So A, B and C are invested with the capitals 8, 10 and 12,000 respectively. So the time period is common for all of them. So profit shares will be equal with respect to their investment. So A is to B is to C will become, here I will just directly cancel 3 zeros here. So it will become 8 is to 10 is to 12. So that becomes 2 times. So 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6. 4 is to 5 is to 6. Now what are they telling? At the end of the year, you'll just get the answer within 2 steps, next 2 steps, if you go with the shortcut trick. All right. Now what are they telling? At the end of the year, the profit share of B is 3,000. They have given the profit share of B itself. Profit share of B is 6 units here, right? If 6 units is 3,000, now what are they asking? The difference between the profit share of A and C. Oh, sorry. The profit share of B is 5 here. Okay, so this is C here. So they are taking the difference between the profit shares. So the difference between profit shares is 2 units, right? If 5 units is 3,000, what will be 2 units? That is nothing but X. Shortcut trick. 5 ones are, 5 6 are 30. So 600 into 2 will be 1200. This is the simple and small step to find out. All right, you will get the answer within 2 steps. Just understand which type of partnership that is given first. Second, take the ratios. And third, they have given at the end of the year, the profit share of B is 3,000. So profit share of B here is 5 parts, right? If 5 parts is 3,000, one part will be 600, right? So if 5 parts is 3,000, one part will be 600. Now they're asking the difference between profit shares. No need of finding the individual values. Just take the difference. The difference between the shares is 2 units. If one part is 600, 4 parts, okay. If you want to find out, 4 parts will be 2,400, 6 parts will be 3,600. So the difference here will be 1,200, which is of 2 units. Clear? Simple shortcut trick which you can apply as I discussed the same thing with profit and loss. Right. Now if you go with the traditional method, we'll have to find out the profit ratio, then share of B is 3,000, then individual value X is 600, share of A and C you will have to find out. There only you will get to know the difference. One second, you will find out if they ask you total profit. Okay, if they ask you total profit, then it will be easy for you to solve it. Find out the total profit, take the difference, it will be 1,200. This is the traditional method. Shortcut trick, find out 4 is to 5 is to 6, 5 part is 3,000, then 1 part is 600, difference is 2 units, it's just 2 into 600, which is 1,200. All right, we'll go on to the next question. Yes, this is a question that is given. A and B started a shop investing rupees 2,000 and 1,500 respectively. After 6 months, C joined them with rupees 2,000. If the total profit earned is rupees 2,500, at the end of 2 years, what is the share of A? Now, this is an example of 3 people in a business. This is a simple example. Try it out. Try to find the value. The time period is 2 years. This is not an example of simple partnership because after 6 months, C is joining the business. So profit share you need to know, investment into duration. Apply that and tell me the answer. So Vivek and Srisha says it is 1,000 rupees. Let us see. A is to B is to C. That is what we need to find out. So investment of A is 2,000 rupees into 2 years, because 2 years is what he is investing of. B also invests rupees 1,500 for 2 years. C will join them after 6 months. After 6 months, in the sense, half of a year is already gone. So it will be, he'll be just investing rupees 2,000 for just 1.5 years. So 3 zeros. Okay, just be 2 zeros here. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. So this will be 20 into 2, which is 40. 40 is to 30 is to 30 again. So this will be 4 is to 3 is to 3. So 2,500 is earned. The share of A is 4 parts. So 4 over 10 into 2,500. So that will be 1,000 rupees, right? 10,000 by 10 is 1,000, or just cancel 0. We'll get it as 250 into 4 times. The answer will be 10,000 rupees. Clear? Hope you all understood. All right. Go on to the next question. Arun started a venture with rupees 30,000 and is joined afterwards by his brother Varun with rupees 40,000. For how many months did Varun join if the profits at the end of the year are divided equally? See, the question is, for how many months did Varun join the business? Okay, so it means he was there in the business with investment of 40,000. The same concept, finding the duration there. They're asking, find how many months was he there. A simple question here. Profit at the end of the year. So it is time 12 months, right? So I'll say he will join after X months, right? He will join after X months, because here the question is he's joined afterwards, right? If he's joined after X months, he will be there for 12 minus X months, right? So we just need to find out this value. Okay, they're not asking find after how many months he came. They're asking for how many months he was there. So you need to be very much careful about these words. All right. So profit at the end of the year is divided equally. So we know the formula: profit of Arun, profit of Varun. That is equal to investment of Arun is 30,000, and he invested for 1 whole year, that is 12 months. And Varun invested rupees 40,000. He invested for 12 minus X months. That is, he'll be there for that many duration. So it will become 0. And I think this is 1 time, this is 3 times. So profit share is equal, right? So 1 is to 1. If you just cross multiply, 12 minus X is equal to 3 into 3, which is 9. So we got the 12 minus X value. So it is, he will be there in the business for 9 months. Understand the question? Okay, understand the question. Here, you can also consider this. Instead of 12 minus X, if you consider X also, you will get the answer. But it all depends on how you consider this condition. How you consider this condition. So the answer will be 9 months. Clear? Superb. Answer will be 9 months. All right. So I'll just consider X because he is investing that time. Okay, I'm considered X as duration that he is investing. Okay, you can consider that also. You will get the answer. Go on to the next question. Out of the total profit rupees 3,500, Praveen receives rupees 1,500 as he invests rupees 22,500 for 6 months. How much did Varun invest for the whole year? Check the answer. The total profit is 3,500. Praveen receives 1,500. Praveen invests to 22,500 for just 6 months. We want Varun's investment for one whole year. What is the answer? Anyone? So Nitesh, Vivek, is it 150K? Check it out. All right, so total profit is 3,500. So profit share of Praveen is 1,500. So the remaining is for Varun, right? So it will be 2,000 rupees. That will be is equal to investment of Praveen is 225,000 and is just investing for 6 months. That is the period of his investment. We do not know what is the investment of Varun. That will be X into 12. That is one whole year. All right. So here two zeros gets cancelled. Then I think this will be 5 into 4 times, 5 into 3 times, 4 into 1 time, 4 into 3 time, 3 into 1 time, 3 into 2 time. I think 225 is divisible by 3. 3 into 7 times is 21, 3 5s are 15. So 7,500 into 2 is 15,000. 15,000 is the investment of Varun in one whole year. All right. Okay. If Varun's investment, okay, I'll just twist the question. If Varun's investment was 15,000, what would be the Praveen's investment for one whole year? Varun's investment for one whole year is 15,000. Okay. What would be Praveen's investment for same profit share for one whole year? Can you check it out? So in left side, it will be 3 over 4. I'll consider that itself. So investment of Praveen will be X into 12 divided by 15,000 into 12. So this gets cancelled. 150 by 2, this will be 7,500 by 2. 75 by 2 is 37.5. So it will be 3750. So investment of Praveen for one whole year will be 3750 into 3 times. So it becomes 9,000 plus 2,100. So it is 11,100 plus 150. 11,150. How is it 20,000, Nitish? I'm just finding out the investment of Praveen. So X will be is equal to 3750 into 3 times. So 3 into 3 is 9, which is 9